Anything different with this build? Ya. Reversa. Oh shit. Apágalas. All right, so this was my friend's car, latest job. Had these installed. Next I'm gonna do his camera there because he has it hooked up to a different thing, but I'll have it so that it all works out. Anyway, didn't really show the install, but it pretty much has it like the other TSX that I used to have. I think it looks sick. So yeah, we're gonna continue with these cars eventually. Yeah, probably just this one. That one's gonna go away to something newer. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys, and I'll catch you guys next time.